Hi, I'm Chamindu Gunatilaka. I'm a research fellow at Cincinnati Children's Hospital. The title of this year's project is The Effect of Premature Birth on Neonatal Airway. In this project, we are studying the airway of the neonates born prematurely and then compare these airway structure results to babies born on term age. These results will help us better predict and improve respiratory outcomes. As a student in our respiratory modeling group, you will get hands-on experience on medical imaging data such as MRI and learn how to perform airway segmentation and geometric analysis. This geometric analysis will be done using MATLAB programming, so some coding experience will be very helpful. Along the way, you will get experience and skills with analyzing clinical data, presenting your findings, and you will also be able to collaborate with other members in our research group. There's also potential for your work to contribute to conference presentations and publications as well. I look forward to mentoring motivated students who are curious, eager to learn, and ready to grow both technically and professionally. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to your application.